Hey guys, I've been testing several best heat press t-shirt printing machine lately, and today I'm sharing the winners with you. Let's explore why these are the ones to watch. Product number 1. Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press 15x15. Kicking off our list at number 1, I have an incredible option that has been making massive waves recently. I am talking about the Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press 15x15. The build quality here is simply exceptional. It utilizes premium materials to ensure long-lasting durability even under heavy use. Performance-wise, it is an absolute powerhouse that refuses to buckle under pressure, featuring a streamlined interface. Beyond the basics, the highly intuitive design makes operating it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. The completely frictionless upkeep process actively removes the traditional ownership headaches associated with similar devices. To find out if there is an active discount or special coupon available right now, make sure to check the direct link down below. Backed by over 9,527 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Product number 2. Cricut EasyPress SE. Progressing further down our list, I find an absolute powerhouse of a device. I am talking about the Cricut EasyPress SE. Designed with meticulous precision, it feels incredibly solid and enduring right from the very first touch. It dramatically outpaces standard expectations, tackling complex and demanding tasks with absolute ease and zero lag. It is packed with smart, quality-of-life enhancements that you rarely see, heavily elevating the overall user experience. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent technical resets. Get the absolute maximum value for your hard-earned money by monitoring the live price via the link in the description. Backed by over 8,853 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Product number 3. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine for Tea. Shifting our focus, here is an extraordinary alternative that brings massive value. I am talking about the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine for Tea. What captivated my attention was the exceptionally high-grade materials. It effortlessly radiates durability for your fast-paced lifestyle. It effortlessly glides through demanding workloads with remarkable speed, leaving almost all competitors completely in the dust. Beyond the basics, the highly intuitive design makes operating it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. Furthermore, regular maintenance is almost non-existent, saving you massive amounts of time and unnecessary energy. Instead of guessing the cost, you can instantly see today's best deal by clicking the direct link provided down below. Backed by over 6,537 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Making the choice to add this to your collection is a decision you will definitely thank yourself for. Product number 4. VEVOR Heat Press. Next up, I want to introduce a phenomenal choice that really caught my attention. I am talking about the VEVOR Heat Press. It is abundantly clear that longevity was a primary focus. The sturdy foundation provides an immediate sense of reassurance. Diving into functionality, you will be blown away by how consistently it delivers top-notch results without skipping a beat. You will instantly appreciate the highly responsive and user-friendly control scheme that puts you completely in charge. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. It offers high-end performance at a price that stays within your means. Tap the link in the description to see how affordable it is. Backed by over 1942 verified reviews, It proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.1 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. I strongly encourage you to consider picking this up, as it will undoubtedly transform your experience. Product number 5. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2. Let us pivot to another remarkable contender that is dominating the conversation right now. I am talking about the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2. The physical construction is nothing short of spectacular, perfectly combining aesthetic elegance with industrial strength sturdiness. It effortlessly glides through demanding workloads with remarkable speed, leaving almost all competitors completely in the dust. The manufacturer clearly prioritized maximum user comfort and accessibility, placing controls in the most natural locations. Its highly energy-efficient nature quietly saves you money in the long run, adding tremendous hidden value. The fantastic news is that this option fits beautifully into a reasonable budget. Check the link in the description for active discounts. Backed by over 1237 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. I highly suggest keeping this on your radar for a completely hassle-free upgrade. That is all for today's roundup. Be sure to click the links below for more details and the best deals. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more reviews.